Hey Terry. All right, so the issue that you were facing when you click drag and then you try to do a mesh combine and you're getting this error poly unit, this is the issue. So right off the bat, the reason why is this poly surface is all one object. So you have to go up to mesh and actually separate it first. Let it do its calculations. It puts everything into a poly surface. So we can name this. Okay, excellent. And then from here, you have your, this is pretty much this is your poly surface, and then you're able to select everything afterwards. So that was your issue. And then you can actually then take this name and change it as well, which, oh, there we go. And what I did is I just hit enter to change that. If I can spell. Okay, excellent. So yeah, to that pretty much was your issue. And then all I did is in this file, I'm gonna unhide the chicken. And then this should be good enough for your teammates to begin working on animations and all the other fun aspects. All right, well, if you have any other questions, just book another session through thinkingstorm.com. Otherwise, take care. Have a great rest of your day.